Whether you're upgrading your entry door for better curb appeal or replacing interior doors for added functionality, choosing the right professional door installers in Doral is essential for a successful project. Proper door installation ensures security, energy efficiency, and long-term performance. With numerous options available, finding the best installers can seem overwhelming. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you select the ideal door installation professionals for your needs. Evaluate experience and expertise when selecting door installers. One of the first things to consider is their level of experience and expertise. Experienced professionals have likely worked on a variety of door types, from entry and patio doors to custom and energy-efficient models. Their expertise allows them to tackle unique challenges, such as uneven frames or complex installations. Look for companies with a proven track record in Doral and ask about their experience with the type of door you want to install. A seasoned installer can provide valuable insights and recommendations, ensuring that you select the right door for your home's style, climate, and functional needs. Check credentials and licensing. Professional door installers should hold the necessary licenses and certifications to operate in Doral. Licensed contractors are more likely to follow local building codes and best practices, ensuring a safe and compliant installation. Ask potential installers for proof of licensing, and don't hesitate to verify their credentials through local regulatory agencies. Additionally, consider whether the installers have relevant industry certifications, such as from the American Window and Door Institute, AWDI. These certifications indicate a commitment to professional standards and ongoing training. Read customer reviews and testimonials. Online reviews and testimonials can provide valuable insight into the reputation and reliability of a door installation company. Platforms like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB, often host reviews from past clients that highlight their experiences, both positive and negative. Look for companies with consistently high ratings and positive feedback regarding their professionalism, communication, and the quality of their work. Personal recommendations from friends, neighbors, or family members can also be a great source of trustworthy referrals. Request references. A reputable door installer should have no problem providing references from previous clients. Contact these references to ask about their experience with the installer, including whether the project was completed on time, within budget, and to their satisfaction. References can give you a clearer picture of what to expect when working with a particular company. Consider range of services offered. The best professional door installers in Doral offer a comprehensive range of services, from the initial consultation and selection of doors to installation and post-installation support. Full-service installers can help you choose the right materials, styles, and features to meet your needs, and they're equipped to handle any challenges that arise during the process. If you have specific needs, such as custom doors or impact-resistant doors for hurricane protection, make sure the company has experience with those types of installations. Prioritize quality materials and brands. High-quality doors are an investment that can improve your home's security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. The best door installers in Doral work with trusted brands and high-grade materials to ensure long-lasting performance. Ask the installer about the brands they carry, and research these products for durability, warranty coverage, and customer satisfaction. Verify insurance coverage before hiring a door installer. Confirm that they have appropriate insurance coverage. This includes general liability insurance, which protects your property if any damage occurs during the installation process, and workers' compensation insurance, which covers injuries to employees working on your project. Hiring insured professionals reduces your financial risk in case of accidents. Request a detailed estimate. Transparency is a hallmark of reputable door installation services. Ask potential installers for a detailed estimate that breaks down the cost of materials, labor, and any additional fees. This allows you to compare quotes from different providers and ensures that you understand the total cost up front. Be cautious of significantly lower bids, as they may indicate subpar materials or shortcuts in the installation process. Aim for a balance between competitive pricing and quality service. Ask about warranties and guarantees. A good door installer should stand behind their work with a warranty. This warranty typically covers both the materials and the labor, giving you peace of mind that any issues will be addressed without additional cost. Be sure to read the terms of the warranty and understand what is covered and for how long. Evaluate communication and customer service from your initial inquiry to the completion of your project. the level of communication and customer service provided by the installer can make a big difference. Choose a company that listens to your needs, provides timely responses, and is willing to answer any questions you have. Professionalism, respect, and responsiveness are indicators of a reliable installer. Conclusion: choosing the best professional door installers in Doral involves evaluating their experience, reputation, credentials, and commitment to quality. By following these steps, you can find an installer who will deliver a seamless, high-quality installation that enhances your home's functionality, security, and aesthetic appeal. Investing in professional installation ensures your doors perform at their best, providing long-term value and peace of mind.